what's up everybody? RVA Lego Guy here, coming right back at you with another speed build and review video for Star Wars 20th Anniversary Lego set 75259. That is the Snowspeeder. It comes with a little Lando Calrissian throwback 1999 or maybe 2000, I want to say, oh, it's 2003 minifigure in there. I'm so super pumped. I finally got all of these except for Slave 1, which I'm just saving up a little bit of money. I think that's $120. So I'm just saving up a little bit for that, but I finally got all the smaller sets of these 20th anniversary releases and I couldn't be happier. These things are amazing. All I've done is I've only built the Anakin's pod racer so far, and this one everybody's like, build the Snowspeeder, build the Snowspeeder. So I am so excited to finally build the Snowspeeder. Yeah, I'm really pumped on it. It has 309 pieces. You get a Luke Skywalker, a Dak Ralter, a Rebel Trooper, and the Lando Calrissian guy. So this is cool. The 20th anniversary boxes are super rad. Everything about them, the graphics are cool, just the look of them, the design is really like throwback looking. It's just super cool and I am really pumped that they put these out. I've seen a couple people on the Lego website complaining about them and this and that, and to those people I just say, be quiet. Like, it doesn't matter. Like, just because you've been collecting for way longer than some people, like, who cares? Like, these are really cool things to have. They were complaining, I think, about this set, saying, oh, they've had so many of these and it's just the same as... Well, you know, again, who cares? These are for, you know, kids and people who haven't maybe missed the first wave of them. So, you know, like... just because you don't like something doesn't mean it's bad. Like, you know what I mean? It's like me. I don't eat raw tomatoes. It's like one of the only foods that I don't eat. And I understand they're delicious, but when I eat them, they're not good to me. So sometimes it's better to just keep your mouth shut, especially especially when it doesn't matter. Like, who cares if you don't like this? You know who does? Most of everybody else who builds them. So to me, it's silly to be like, oh, well, these aren't very good because, like, they're just remakes and there were a lot of them. Well, then they're not for you. You know what? Like, you can turn your blind eye to them. Who really cares? People like me and maybe kids younger and that you know, are just getting into Star Wars, this is a really cool thing for them. So for you to you know, trash talk these just because you don't like them as an adult builder, like, get over yourself and let's have fun building Lego. And I'm just so sick of the negativity surrounding Lego right now. Like, a lot of people are talking garbage and just like, they're not understanding that these are toys to bring people together and to just, you know, the community around Lego is so good and people want to come in and trash it. So it's so silly to me. And so rant over. I'm excited about building these 20th anniversary. I'm so excited about this Snowspeeder. And yeah, I'm gonna get started now. And like I said, I'm gonna be quiet now. And I spoke my piece. So yeah, let's get started on this. So that was the 20th anniversary Snowspeeder. This thing is really cool. I really love this build, from the little turret cannon here to the Snowspeeder itself. Everything on this was super rad. I absolutely loved it. Everybody who told me to build it, you weren't wrong. It is so cool. The whole little cockpit opens like this. Well, there goes one of those blasters. But yeah, it's really cool. It looks like there's enough room for the two pilots to sit in there. In the back, it has the little grappling hook that actually can come down. I guess this is from the scene where he wraps up the walker. Just a really cool build. You got another little blaster here, a stud blaster there, and two of the laser blaster looking things on the underside. The minifigures are super rad. You got Luke, you got another pilot. What's the other guy's name? Dak Ralter here. You got the Lando Calrissian remake of the 2003 version, and you got the Rebel Trooper here. Just all really cool. Everything about this build was rad. The only speeder like this that I have is that Sand Speeder, which was, I believe, a Target exclusive last year. So I'm really excited to add the Snowspeeder version of this to my collection. Yeah, highly recommend this for people of all ages, for Star Wars fans and Lego fans alike. It's just really cool, and I'm really happy to have built it. Didn't take me very long, only took me about 50 minutes to build. It is the last instruction is on page 109, so probably about 105 page instructions. Really great, highly recommend it. So yeah, go out there and get your hands on these. They're brand new, so they should be out for a while. They're not like numbered, they're not hard to find or anything. They just got released the 1st of this month, which is what, April 1st. So yeah, go out and get you one if you like Star Wars, or you like Lego Star Wars, or even if you just like Lego, because it's a really cool build. A lot of good minifigures for only 30 bucks. And yeah, I know this set, people are finding it for cheaper at Walmart. So check out Walmart, see what they got going. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching my videos. As always, have a wonderful day and happy building. We'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.